Yeah. Hi to everyone, and myself Dishati Dakori, and my teammates are Jairam Praneeth, Chakrada Reddy, and Nikita. And today I'm going to explain on Cricket Club Management System. And the goal of the project is to run a cricket club and a software system with a variety of online booking and management is required by a cricket club. And mainly the cricket club management system web application project was created primarily to communicate with the tournaments. The following services are available in the web application, such as it's a ground booking, member registration, and notice posting, member registration, and batch registration, and others. This software system allows a cricket club to be managing efficiently and effectively. And coming to the system goals, uh, the primary goal of the system goals is to maintain the records easily, and it's to keep the track of the game details such as equipments, players, attendance, and schedules. It records all the cricket related data such as fee, schedule, and scores. And the main thing is that only the administrator has the access to project because it's entirely built on a administration level. Only players can see their scoring and everything. And the website is built to develop an application program that will reduce the amount of manual work required to match cricket equipment, fees, and players. And it will record all the players' information, attendance schedule, and their player stats, everything. And we can moreover we can see the live scores when we're playing the cricket. And the main thing is that the portal can be accessed anywhere irrespective of time and place. While coming to the futures, and we can see the more information about the players in the website, information regarding the players contract which is going to play for franchise, and the information about the player registration and for which club is registered. And now by allowing club members to register for tournaments and receive tournaments information via website, and the proposed system eliminates the need for them to meet with the club members. The tournaments and other sports events will be, and we can easily see the score while we are not in the ground also. And and we're and we're coming to the website. We can see the players average and the bowlers economy and everything. And the meanwhile, uh, while we can host the meeting virtually in the app also. There's no need to connect physically if you want to discuss any team regarding before the match. And uh, and and while coming to the other parts, it will be explained by Jairam Praneeth. And there you go.
Hello everyone, my name is Jairam Praneeth and coming to the usability requirements, the three measures of usability testing, the three most important measures are effectiveness, efficiency and user satisfaction, and moreover they are independent. Coming to the user satisfaction, here we design user satisfaction to reduce to be measured on a point scale of 5. So everything is measured on a point scale of 5 when coming to user satisfaction. And the next thing is accuracy. The system that you have designed is more accurate in a way that the user can quickly accomplish the task once he gets familiar with the design. So once he gets familiar with the design, he can easily accomplish his task. So we can say that our system is more accurate. And when coming to the understanding the our system, the interface and screens are very easy to understand as they are categorical and they followed a particular flow. Now coming to the usability classes, adding players who are new to the club, adding players to a team, and registering players for tournament are various usability classes in our project. So these things are to be checked in our project. And now coming to the UI and system design, the project the project is built on a web application platform. We used PHP as our base level language and MySQL as our database. User interface and system design of the website is simple and understandable. Every section is designed with understanding font style, easy text format, interface elements with highlighting elements, and the rest will be explained by our teammate Nikita.
Um, Coming to the trade-offs, next slide. It's a compromise between user satisfaction and more information. It helps players to register for the club or tournaments and balance between accuracy and user satisfaction. So, next slide. So to log into the page, for the players to register in any tournament, players showing here. So to register, players should have an account created where if player has already or if they have the login details, they can directly log into it. Here in this, when we log into the we get 4 options there: the team, contract, club, and player information. So let's see the team information. For players to register in any team name in for B2 tournament using second screen. The next screen. Next, yeah. Should enter all the details required to analysis the team and its staff member for the type, which we need to enter the team name, coach name, type of the tournament is registering. Next, when we platform, if a player is signed up with the same club in the terms of a contract, the contract details in the contract registration form, that will help other teams and management to details before reaching out for any contract with the players. So we need to give the club ID of the team, the name and the details, first name, last name, and the middle name. And slide. For the player registration is with the documents of a government for future use. We also take players' present address and permanent back or to send any requirement documents in the coming days, and majorly to share any information in terms of any tragedy or unlikely situation. Next slide will be continued by my friend Chakrada Reddy.
Okay, now here I'm about to talk about the testing methodologies. Can you please take me to the next slide? So here are some of the examples of usability testing methodologies actually we used for our project. And let me just give an overview what are the methodologies we used. The first one is moderate. It is like a real person who will facilitate the testing. The next one is unmoderate, which is like specific interaction scenarios. And the third one is guerrilla testing, where the informal to test on a high level at any places. And the final one is hallway usability testing, where random individuals to test website. So first, let me talk what is moderate testing. Like moderate testing is like good knowledge about the product. So it's like the moderator is having some of the knowledge about the product or the website which he's going to use. And the next one is unmoderate, where the user has no any idea about the detail, or he don't even know about the website, or he don't know how to use the mobile or some application. And the next one is guerrilla testing, here in the Gorilla testing, it is informal to test on a high level at any places, like some random places. We can consider like as cafe, something like that. And the final one is hallway usability testing. It is like random individuals to test websites. We will choose some of the random individuals. So we will get to know about what are the feedbacks and what are the how the website is going to work. So now let me talk in detail about the previous slide. Yeah. So basically what moderate usability is like, it's like testing. Moderate usability testing is like usability testing that requires a moderator's active participation. So the moderator needs to participate actively in this type of usability testing. And the next one is unmoderate usability testing, where the moderator need not to be actively participate, but like this technique is typically used to test specific parts of the product, like we can say specific interaction scenarios. Unmoderate testing is frequently carried out using automated testing tools. And the next one is Gorilla testing. Next slide. Yeah, here it is Gorilla usability testing. It provides you with the completely new perspective. Like who has never heard of your software, does not work in your target audience, does not belong to your target demographic, and does not meet your expected level of competency. This is like the user don't know about the software, the user don't know about the what he's going to work, or he's going to test, something like that. These findings can be very instructive, but they must be balanced with carefully considered research goals and outcomes, because the user don't know what he's using. So we need to uh, give the instructions how to use the product. So, and we need to also balance the research goals and outcomes. And the final one is hallway usability testing. It is a technique and the principle that uses random people to test software and interfaces. In contrast, hiring people based on the specific skills obviously a bad idea. So here in moderate usability testing, we have taken some of our friends who for this moderate testing. All their experience and the usability and the comfort is taken as a part of survey. Usability goal is to develop product with quick response and good performance. And when we perform the unmoderate usability testing, like we choose the people who are not comfortable with mobiles and no idea about our product. Usability goal is to help them navigate through the pictures with good user interface. And coming to the next thing, that Gorilla usability testing. In this part of testing, we have taken some members who visited the cafe at a high level. Usability goal is to test informal way with different sets of people and help in customer satisfaction development of product. And the final one is hallway usability testing. When we actually did this, in this part, we have taken random people who never observed we have observed in the street for testing. Like we asked them to use our product. Usability goal is to different combination of people, different usability issues can be observed, which may be user interface like reliability, performance, comfort, and even more security. Oh, uh, previous slide. Back, like go to the testing methodologies. Yeah. So after performing the testing methodologies, what we have observed is like, in order to test the player registration, we will verify the player's details with email, player's name, like email confirmation, player confirmation. Because when some of the users are using, they didn't get the email confirmation, like they are stuck in a place that whether our email is confirmed or not, something like that. So this is what we have observed. And for email, we check whether what we have done is we check whether the email is already registered or not. Like if we see the user which is giving the email, we will check with our database that the email is registered or not. If it is not registered, then we will take that we will ask him to sign up for this email. And if the email is already registered, we ask the player to log in with his previous email. And for player's name, we check if a player is already registered player and everything. If players are coming with the same names, like two players are having the same names, we take other aspects of email and players details, check in the background for better assigning of the players. And the login page, so in the login page, prevent the login when the details are not entered. Like if any of the login details are not entered, we will prevent from the login. So next slide. Next slide, that metric slide. Yeah, so here, these are the metrics which we have collected. Like nearly 75% of the users are impressed by our website, and like 15% of the users felt somewhat difficulty due to the unfinished website as the registration page. And overall, 80% of the users are pleased with the idea of our website. Next slide. So what we have done after the usability test result discussion, like after performing the usability testing, we gathered feedback, discovered bugs, and discussed them with our team members after surveying our website with the users. Like after doing the survey, we got to know that we need to add a register page. So after doing that, we added login and the register page to our website, as most of the users are requested. And this is what we have done. Thank you.